With each out breath, allowing the body to release and let go into the floor. And if you need to make any final adjustments so that you are super, super comfy, then make those adjustments. So that there's absolutely no desire at all to move. You are in the most comfortable position you could possibly be in. And the attention is on the breath. And with each out breath, there is a letting go. So with each out breath, there is a releasing and a letting go, allowing the earth to carry your weight. Nothing to do. Nowhere to go. Just to be here is more than enough. Allowing the attention to come to the breath. And it is as though the breath is travelling all the way up the back of the body on the breath in. And it's as though there is a gentle caressing of the front of the body with the breath out. So it's as though there is a gentle flow of the breath all the way up the back as it comes in. And all the way down the front with the breath out. Following the flow of the breath. And gently bringing the attention to the heart. And with the focus there, knowing that it is okay to let go. It is good to rest. That resting and rejuvenation is what is needed in winter. But now is the time to refill the well. To feel refreshed and renewed. Allowing an image to come now of a light, of a bright, shining blue light. And allowing that bright blue light to sit at the tip of the tongue and at the root of the tongue. No need to do anything other than to be aware of that light touching the top of the tongue and the base of the tongue, the top lip and the bottom lip, the tip of the nose, the blue light on the right cheek and the left cheek, the right ear and the left ear, the space between the eyebrows, the top of the head, the back of the head. It's as though you're watching the blue light as it sits on the right collarbone and the left collarbone, that travels to the right shoulder and the left shoulder, to the right elbow and the left elbow. Watching the light as it travels from the right wrist to the left wrist, the right palm of the hand to the left palm of the hand. It's almost as though you are following the light with your eyes as it sits on the right thumb and the left thumb, the right first finger and the left finger. Following the light as it travels to the middle finger on the right hand and the middle finger on the left hand. The ring finger on the right hand and the ring finger on the left. As it travels to each little finger, the right and the left. The whole of the right arm, the light shines there, the blue light on the whole of the left arm. The right breast and the left breast, the right side of the waist, the left side of the waist, the blue light at the right hip and the left hip. The bright light at the right thigh and the left thigh, the right knee, the left knee. The right shin and calf, the left shin and calf. The right ankle, the left ankle, the top of the right foot, top of the left foot. The base of the right foot and the base of the left foot. Each toe on the right foot, each toe on the left foot. Bringing an awareness to the blue light at the yoni, at the pelvic floor. Blue light at the yoni, blue light at the navel, at the solar plexus, at the pit of the throat. It is as though the whole body is lit in the blue light. The whole body is lit up like a blue light, and it is as though the blue light is lifting, and the body is lifting lightly above the ground. So light and floaty, so light and floaty. And then the blue light dims to darkness, and it is as though the whole body has become like a deep, dark, velvety black. A deep, dark, velvety black, and then the iridescent blue re-emerges and the body becomes light, and it's almost as if the body is particles of blue light. And then it's as though the body has become a velvety darkness, a delicious velvety dark, deep darkness. And then it's as though the body has merged between the blue light and the velvety dark. How would that be to have a melting together of the blue light and the deep dark? And then allowing that to go. And bringing the attention to the space in front of the closed eyes. And it's as though you are there, in that space in front of the closed eyes. And you are in a place that you have created to be the most comfortable and easy and gentle place. So you are in a place where you feel absolutely at ease, and you have everything that you might need around you, or it might be a simple place of little, where you can feel absolutely at ease. You have all the comforts that you might wish to have to allow yourself to replenish. And in this place of complete ease, you notice that there is a river. There's a river that's gently flowing. And a little way down the river, there is a little kind of waterfall area. And it is very easy for you to reach into that water with your hands and cup your hands and drink. And with each drink of the water, you feel replenished and renewed. So each drink you take from this fresh and clear and abundant water gives you what you need. And you begin to feel stronger and more powerful and easier, and all the cares of your world drop away away. And you know that you have all the resilience and strength that you need, because this water is giving you all that you need. It is refilling your well. So you have the strength to face any challenge that comes your way. With each sip of the water, you feel a little bit more invincible. And then you take one final drink of the water and come away from the flow of the water and come back to this place where you feel totally at ease. And maybe there's a place here where you can curl up in the most comfort and rest deeply. There is a beautiful sense of peace and ease. And from this place of peace and ease, you become gently aware of your breathing. And it is as though you are watching yourself, seeing yourself being breathed. And as the attention comes to the breath, you become aware of the sound of your own breathing. You can hear the breath as it comes and goes. And as you listen to your breath, you notice that it becomes a little bit deeper and a little bit stronger. And you allow now for the breath to become deeper and stronger. And as that occurs, you notice that the breath becomes a waking breath. So the breath starts to wake up the body and wake up the mind, and you begin to notice that you are back here in this room, in the here and now. And you allow an awareness to come back into your body and to feel the contact between your body and the floor, your body and your clothing. And you start a little bit of a wriggle, maybe the thumb touches each finger in turn. So waking up the body now, waking up the mind, wriggling the fingers, wriggling the toes. Knowing that you have plenty of time, all the time you could possibly need to stretch and be. All the time you have, maybe to have a little stretch, maybe even imagining that you're waking up for the first time this morning, maybe bringing the knees into the tummy, having a little bit of a rock from side to side to integrate the practice. Knowing that you have the time that you need, maybe to bring the knees into the tummy, roll over to one side. Taking all the time you might need to eventually come out of this Yoga Nidra practice, knowing that you can take anything that you like with you and leave what no longer serves you behind, and come back up into a comfortable seated position.